Sa hirap at ginhawa, andito lang ako para sa'yo. Madami na tayong napagdaanan na nalagpasan natin together. Basta as long as we're together, kakayanin natin lahat yan. Yun, I love you. And I can't wait na bumuo tayo ng pamilya. Ang pa-plastic.
Ako'y yung sinamahan sa dulo ng kanluran. Makulimlim man ay hindi mo ako binitawan. Maalan man ang ating daan, tayo'y nagsayawan.
Sobrang blessed ko na siya yung binigay ni Lord na magiging partner ko sa habang buhay.
Ikaw ang aking araw, araw-araw. Ikaw ang aking araw, araw-araw. At sapot-sapit ng gabi ay sininagan mo ang kabilang bahagi ng aking mundo.
Ayun, kakasal na tayo. Thank you kasi napagtiyagaan mo ako. Yun lang. I love you.
Kailangan natin ang mahabang pasensya. Dito kailangan ng mahabang pangunawa. Sabi ko nga, the success of marriage does not lie in affirming each other good qualities. The success of marriage lies in bearing each other's imperfection.
You put the wind in my sails from the moment I saw you, and every fear all disappeared when I looked in your eyes.
Nung una kasi hindi okay eh. Naghiwalay pa, tas after ilang years yun, nagkabalikan din. Ano siya, love is sweeter the second time around talaga yun. Yung saying na gano'n, naniniwala ako sa gano'n.
Exists in a permanent bliss I can't explain. Am I dreaming?
Answer prayer ko siya kasi yun nga, mabait siya, malalahanin, tsaka yun, may takot sa Diyos, tapos magkasalit kasi siya eh.
That fell into my view, wrecked all my plans, put me in a trance of heavenly light. Now I can't imagine my life without.
Congratulations! I'm so happy for you. I love you.
Dito lang palagi ako. Pa rin, ganun pa din. Wala magbabago. Love you din.
Ano na, ikakasal ka na, mahalin mo ang asawa mo, magpapabait kayo, magtulungan, lagi mo tatandaan, ikaw pa rin ang mahal ko.
Yun lang, sa papa ko, thank you for everything. Alam mo naman yan. And mahal na mahal kita.
So marriage is not a union of two perfect people, but marriage is a union of two people who are willing to forgive. It's a union of two forgivers, handang umunawa at magpatawad.
The sky, alive to this moment, our wildest dreams collide. Time is now frozen as we light up the sky. You put the wind in my sails. Every moment I'm with you, and every fear all disappears when I look in your